television.
No, it's a jackhammer one.
Whoa, how cool.
Whoa, this can do anything. Whoa, this is even awesomer. It can turn and go up and down.
Hi guys, welcome to the stream. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday so far. We're going to be reviewing some new toys today. We are able to go pick out some pretty exciting toys. One of these toys we've had before, so it's going to be an addition to what we have. But the first toy we're going to do is we're going to do this construction vehicle. And it's a backhoe with a jackhammer as the attachment rather than the bucket. The toy experts love to do construction vehicles, so we got that for them. We're going to let them play around. And then the next toy that we have is this big train track. We've had this before. It's been a big hit with the boys, and so this year we decided to get them an addition to it. And so this is the addition to an existing one they've already had. And so we're going to let them open that up and do some trains a little later after the construction vehicle. If you missed our last stream, just a heads up, then we did a toy giveaway, and because we hit our 50 follower goal, and Jared Kerr was the winner there, so he was able to win that toy. If you're on the stream, feel free to hit the follow button, and if you're on YouTube, then hit the subscribe button. With that, then we'll bring in our little expert and we'll review some of these toys.
Hello everybody, my name is Bentley and we're doing open toys and tell you all about them because we're the toy experts. Jonas here.
No, Jonas. There you go. Can you open it?
Whoa. These toys are rubber.
Bentley, Blee Gaming is hosting us. Do you want to say thanks for the host?
Thanks for the host. What's a host?
Okay, you having a hard time hitting them off?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Here's one.
Look what it can do, Mom.
Whoa.
It can lift.
Whoa. What is that? What kind of construction vehicle is that?
Snow plow.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a snowplow?
Yeah.
Awesome. What is this?
A jackhammer was a big, awesome show.
Whoa, that's a big excavator. I'll get the little guy out for you.
No, it's a jackhammer one.
Whoa, how cool.
Whoa, this can do anything. Whoa, this is even awesomer. It can turn and go up and down. And it can do this.
Whoa.
Hey,
What else moves on it?
nothing. Oh, nothing.
Okay, do you like the other ones?
Yeah, I like all of them.
You do?
Yeah. didn't know my little.
It's okay, they're watching you right now. Say hi.
Hi.
Thank you for watching.
Hi, thank you for watching. Bye. I didn't know what to say.
It's okay. You were so excited to get them today. What can you do with those construction vehicles?
I did with them to show at the camera.
We have 5 people watching.
5.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for casting 5 people, Mom. Mom, did you know this kind of... Hey, this is supposed to open.
Whoa, can you see the engine? Whoa! What can you do with that construction vehicle? Can you excavate?
Whoa.
Whoa!
Hey, wait.
You have to lift the bucket in the back. Make sure it's all the way up so it's not stopping it from moving. Now you can add to your collection of the construction vehicles.
All of my kids.
What about the little ones? The little guys?
Yeah.
Are you gonna share them with Vinny?
The little guys, this snow plow is for Vinny. This steam blower and that one is for me.
Okay, I'm glad you're sharing. Thank you so much, Bully Gaming, for hosting us. We appreciate it. Okay, are you ready for your trains?
Yeah. Trains now.
Whoa, okay. Let's see.
Fire train, here I come.
There you go.
It's very awesome.
It is very awesome.
Because it has a fire train, maybe. More trains!
Whoa, show us what you have. That's a cool tunnel, buddy.
Yep.
We have 12 people watching us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for hosting us.
Thank you so much.
We can use all the support we can get today. Hey, look. Ta-da! Whoa! Can you build us an awesome railroad track today? And connect them all? There you are. There you are. Okay, did you open all of them? Stop signs. Cool street lights. We got some cool trains. And an ambulance.
A new train.
Yeah.
I just broke this off one day.
Oh my goodness, and now you have a new one.
Yeah. Hey, I have
Okay.
one train.
I'll help you open this. Okay? Did we get all of it out?
Nope. Yeah. Oh, more stuff.
Yep, this train set, we had a similar one, and they got it last Christmas, and they still play with it almost every day. So the train sets are awesome, and they can put them in so many different ways. And the cool thing that you can always get an expansion pack, and it just gets bigger and bigger. Sometimes it takes over our living room. Sometimes we step on them everywhere when the kids don't put them away, but for hours of entertainment they provide, I don't even mind.
Mom, this is how they're supposed to go. This is how the houses are supposed to go.
Yep. Did you put the houses together? Okay, let's build a nice railroad.
Ruin the houses.
I'm not gonna ruin the houses. Let's save them right here. And we got a cool gas station.
Hey, we
so
have
the cars...
2 of them.
Yeah, how cool. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay, sit. And let's build. They just can't see you, but when you're standing up. I wonder if Camden is watching. Say hi, Camden.
Hi, Camden.
Who else do you think is watching?
Maybe Winston.
Maybe Winston. Say hi, Winston.
Hi, Winston.
And this comes with 70 pieces, and it's wages 3 plus.
It needs to have a fire engine tray.
Oh my goodness. But our 2-year-old loves playing with them. So I think it's also great for younger kids. The pieces are easy enough for them to snap together. How is it going, bud?
Can I have the jackhammer to jackhammer these guys?
Jackhammer? Oh, you mean this one?
Yeah.
You're combining your toys?
All of them.
Whoa, yeah, you need a construction vehicle to help you with the railroad construction.
Dum 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 dum. It's jackhammering the car.
Okay, is it gonna help you to build the railroad track?
No,
What do you
is
like?
Can it was excavated up or crushed?
Oh, crash it? Oh my goodness, you love to destroy and crash things. Okay, say thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Thank you guys for stopping by.